Morning everybody, welcome back. Today I only have a quick announcement or two quick announcements to make. The first one is I consider doing a little US tour in April 25. I thought about first the whole US, but I think it might be a little too much for 3-4 weeks. So I think I will do only East Coast, so from Boston down to Florida somewhere. But for this I need your help, so I would need to have someone helping organizing me. And of course we could directly think about then the mid and the west coast and organizing that too, but not for April, maybe for later the year or what have you. So if you want to help me organize something, please send me an email. Email is in the video description. The reason is I think 25% of my YouTube viewers are from the US, so I think I owe them a visit, and I hope I see you all soon there then. Thank you very much. Second announcement would be I have a new website. Thanks to Tom for making it. You can check it. Link is in the description. You will see all my courses, so go check them out. If you are somewhere in Germany, I have a lot of courses coming, so you still can directly click there and do your booking. Second, there will be a newsletter every 4 weeks for the people who don't want to have a look always again on the website. You can sign up for a newsletter. It's directly on the top on the right. You see this newsletter. Then you can sign up, and every 4 weeks you will get a little update email about my courses, about whatever is going on, so you stay up to date. Check out the website and get in contact with me because of... What the heck? You heard that? What the fuck? What the heck? Something. I hope you liked my announcement today. And that's all I have for you today. Good boy. I thank you all for watching. Catch you on the next one.